Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to organize your Wix website with clean, clickable tabs so visitors can easily navigate through information without endless scrolling, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the whole process of adding tabs in Wix. Whether you're building a portfolio, a store, or a personal blog, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to make your pages look more polished and user-friendly. Let's jump right in. First, let's head over to your Wix web design dashboard. If you're already logged in, you should see your site editor open and ready. This is basically your canvas, where everything takes shape before your site goes live. Take a moment to locate the section of your page where you want those tabs to appear. Maybe it's right at the top for quick info, or further down for additional details. Remember, you can always reposition it later, so don't stress over the exact spot just yet. Now, let's add a new section. In the Wix editor, sections help you divide your website into clear, digestible chunks. Click the Add Section button, usually found on the left, or wherever your editing toolbar sits. Adding a section is like laying down a new sheet on your workspace. It keeps your tab element organized and ensures it fits neatly with the rest of your design. When your new section is in place, we're going to add elements to it. Elements are the building blocks of Wix: images, text, videos, and, you guessed it, tabs. So, look for the Add Elements option. It may look like a plus sign or simply say Add. Click it to open up the library of features. From here, look for the option labeled Box. Boxes in Wix are flexible components, a bit like little containers that can hold whatever you want. Once you click Box, you'll see a variety of elements you can pop inside, including tabs. Find the tab element, then click to select it. Tabs are fantastic because they allow visitors to switch between content areas without leaving the page, like flipping through sections of a book instead of browsing multiple volumes. Here's where the fun begins: choosing your template. Wix has several tab styles: horizontal, vertical, colorful, minimalist, you name it. Think about the look and feel of your website. Do you want something bold and playful or sleek and professional? Scroll through the template options and click on one that fits your vibe. It only takes a second, and you can always swap it later if you change your mind. Once your tabs are on the page, it's time to make them your own. Click Manage tab to start customizing. This is the control panel where you can name each tab, adjust the order, or add new ones. You might have tabs for About, Services, FAQ, and Contact, whatever best serves your audience. Take a moment to think through what content belongs where. Don't worry if you're not sure. The tab settings let you adjust things like fonts, colors, tab spacing, and even animation effects. Try experimenting here until the tabs match your site's branding and are clear for visitors. If something looks off, don't worry. Wix makes it easy to preview and undo changes as you go. This part might take a few moments if you're new to it, but trust me, it's worth taking the time so your site feels cohesive. And there you have it. Adding tabs in Wix really is that straightforward. With these organized sections, your visitors can quickly find what they need, making your site feel professional and inviting. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss future tutorials. Got any questions or want to share your own tab layout ideas? Drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.